Okay, just a quick one today folks, so I'm just going to show you how you can really speed up your workflow in Midjourney if you're using Midjourney a lot. Because what I found was a wee bit annoying is I actually use Midjourney a lot. If we scroll up, you'll see here for these sort of illustration graphics. But if I had to dive in to doing something else, I mean, you can see here I've just been playing about with web design. I was having to scroll all the way back up and find certain prompt that I was after. So instead of scrolling back, I did a bit of digging and I found that you can actually set these custom options here. So I've just been playing about here. You can see I've put in prefer option list, and you can see my custom options now. I think wallpaper must be a default one, but I've set up illustration and I've set up web design. So the way that that looks is if I come in here, type imagine, and I've got my illustration one, so you can see here this is what I would type in for my illustration. I would be putting all of this in anyway, so it would just be like copy and pasting from one prompt to another, but instead what I can do is this. Then dash dash, and I'm going to use my custom option name here, which is illustration. So let's take that, put it at the end, so hyphen hyphen illustration, and that's now generated. So you can see here that the prompt, even though I didn't type all this in, it's taking that dash dash illustration and it's put in everything that's specified here in my custom option. So how can we go about doing this? So the command that we're going to use is prefer option set. So this allows us to set a custom option. So I'll set a new one up. So I've got illustration already, but maybe I just want the illustrations to be red instead of this white color scheme that I specified before. So I'm going to call it illustration red. And then if we hit tab, we specify the value. So there's two parameters here. The first option is the actual name, so that's what you'll be typing in to activate it. And then the value is just whatever prompts you want attached to it. So I'm just going to copy this existing one, but I will make a slight change. So I'll put here red and orange color scheme, just so you can see it working. So when we're happy with the option and the value, just press enter. And you can see here now that we've set that custom option. So let's go ahead and use it. As usual, you just do imagine and enter your prompt. So I'm just going to take this one from earlier. Person working on a laptop, but instead of doing dash dash illustration, I'll do dash dash illustration dash red. And now we can see that we've got the same prompt, but we've got this red and orange color scheme, and you can see the results here. It's the exact same thing, but we used our other custom option. So it's really helpful if you're like me and you're jumping between lots of different prompts for whatever reason. You can look at all of your custom options simply by typing in prefer option list. Click it and hit enter. You can see here I did it a second ago. All of your custom options. If you want to edit a custom option that you've already got, it's the same command that you did at first to create the option. So if we just type prefer option set, we can then take the name of an existing option. So I'll just take wallpaper, and you can see here my wallpaper rule is wallpaper and then just some dimensions. So if we take that, I'm just going to put test here. There's now test wallpaper, so I'm just going to do the list again. Prefer option list, hit enter, and you see now it's updated it. So you're just doing the same command that you used to create the custom option in the first place. So that's how you can create custom options, edit them, and see all of them in Midjourney. Really helpful if you're in Midjourney quite a lot, using it for a variety of different image generation types. Can help keep you on track, save you from scrolling up endlessly to find existing prompts that you liked. So I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.